Hello everyone. So now finally एक weekend आ गया है and now we are heading to explore Udaipur. We'll be firstly going to grab a bite because we were planning to start somewhere around 9 AM और अभी 1 बज गया है. 1 से ज़्यादा बज गया है. Oh yeah, sorry, around 1. And we'll be heading first to grab a bite. We are going to a place called Millets of Mewar and after that we'll be going to Sajjanpur or Sajjangarh जहाँ पे there is a monsoon palace. So stay tuned, there's a interesting day lined up and come along. So guys, we have reached this place called Millets of Mewar and हाँ हम लोग सज्जनगढ़ में है और यहाँ पे ही पैलेस है. बट बिफोर दैट सिंस हमको बहुत ज़्यादा भूख लगी है वी आर गोइंग टू फर्स्ट ग्रैब अ बाइट एंड देन हेड टू मॉनसून पैलेस. बट दिस प्लेस मिलेट्स ऑफ मेवार, इट इज़ लुकिंग वेरी प्रिटी एंड क्यूट एंड कम अलोंग. So we have Mr. Sunny over here and he's the guy behind Millets of Mewar.
Yeah, me and my friend Manoj Prajapat. So we've been working together last 15 years together. No, more than that actually. Like the concept behind the food is that how to live healthy.
Okay.
And where from our food comes. The basic question we should have it. We also try to promote vegan food also because it's very healthy for the body, for the society, for the environment as well. Okay. We also specialize in zero oil cooking. So people have any dietary restricted food like they can demand and whatever they desire and we able to make it for them and they make them happy.
Super. But why millets though?
Okay, so millets is like first of all it's very traditional.
Okay.
And
Traditional to Rajasthan?
Traditional
or
to
Mewar?
Rajasthan. I think it's all over India, but
Okay.
you know Rajasthan is the biggest
Producer?
Producer,
Yeah.
yes. And
So basically all the millets what you procure is from the locals over
yeah, we tried as much as to try to source local, organic, and try to support like local artisans and all that are concept.
Sure, we are looking forward to having that. Thanks
you.
a lot,
Thank
Sunny,
you
for
so
your
much.
time.
Yes,
Yeah,
I'll
looking
introduce
forward to
Yes, yes, yes. Thank you.
We have got our...
Millet aloo tikki.
Okay, so that's millet aloo tikki. Very crunchy, very well prepared. This particular dish has something called as sawa. Sawa is a grain from the millets family. It also has amarnath seeds. This is definitely recommended whenever you are in Udaipur. अब आ गया है हमारा मिलेट बेस का पिज़्ज़ा. बहुत ही अच्छा टेस्ट है. द बेस इज मेड अप ऑफ 3 things. One is ragi, one is a bit of wheat,
Bajra and flaxseed.
bajra and flax seeds. 4 things. This can beat any of those giant pizza houses. It's very tasty and healthy as well. And if you want to have a gluten free यानी आपको wheat के बिना भी अगर बेस चाहिए, so Millets of Mewar will be open to kind of making that alteration for you and preparing your pizza with it. So after that awesome delicious meal at Millets of Mewar, we are now heading to Sajjangarh Palace or people call it Monsoon Palace. तो वहाँ चलते हैं. Stay tuned. देखते हैं पैलेस कैसा है.
85 रुपीज़ का टिकट है पर पर्सन. 85 रुपीज़. कार जीप बस के लिए 275 रुपीज़. तो ओवरऑल 455 हुआ, जिसमें से 275 सिर्फ गाड़ी का.
Okay.
बच्चे 5 साल पे खड़ी है.
So now we have reached at Monsoon Palace. थोड़ा सा steep climb है that you have to do. You have to park your vehicle over there. I felt the parking charges are a bit quite heavy. So it's almost a 4-kilometer pathway up to the palace from the place where Sharanya bought the tickets. 275 for the car to get up over here, and the entire pathway was very pretty. यानी ये शायद से एक नेशनल रिजर्व या जंगल है. दोनों तरफ जंगल और बीच में से रास्ता जा रहा है, तो अच्छा लग रहा था. सो दैट्स द पैलेस. Okay, so this Monsoon Palace is completely avoidable because it's यानी कुछ है नहीं यानी we came here, we thought okay at least कोई guide wide होगा so he can take us through what's there, what's the significance of this palace. Nothing is there and very less public information, so we feel it's completely avoidable. Although if you enjoy watching some views from from a high altitude, this is a place where you can come, but otherwise it's completely skippable.
आप लोग सबसे पहले इसका वेट देखिएगा, बिल्कुल वेटलेस होता है सब। ये देखिए हाथ पे
So we were here at Hastkala Kendra and we purchased some dohar. एक दोहर हमने खरीदा. If you want to purchase bed sheets, sarees, some jewelry, some local jewelry, this is the place you can come and purchase, make some purchase. So Monsoon Palace हो गया, बहुत अच्छा खाना पीना हो गया, थोड़ा सा शॉपिंग हो गया. We are planning to go to Lake Pichola boat ride. So there are two types of boat rides. One is general wala boat ride, which is 150 rupees per head, and the other boat is of 300 rupees per head. 300 में आपको थोड़ा अच्छा सोफा मिलेगा, and 150 is the usual, the same boat, but उसमें सोफा नहीं है. Yes, there are other boat rides as well, which starts from City Palace to Jug Mandir. ऐसा बहुत कुछ होता है boating में. We'll try and cover as much as possible. Right now the lake what you can see in the backdrop is called दूध धुलाई लेक. दूध धुलाई लेक ऐसे ही कुछ दूध तालाब ऐसे ही कुछ तो नाम है उसका. बेसिकली नाम इसलिए पड़ा क्योंकि पहले जब पूरे सिटी में से जो दूध वाले लोग हैं वो दूध पूरे शहर में बांट के आते थे, तो यहाँ पे आते थे वो धोने के लिए, यानी ये लेक में वो आते थे धोने के लिए उनके जो दूध के बर्तन हैं, इसीलिए उसको दूध तालाब ऐसे कुछ तो बोलते हैं. दूध तलई बोलते हैं उसको. हाँ, ऐसे ही बैठे हैं हम यहाँ पे एंड वील जस्ट वॉक थ्रू, टेक अ स्ट्रोल थ्रू एंड हेड टू द बोटिंग एरिया एंड वहाँ पे फिर आपको बताते. काफ़ी थक गए हैं बट आई होप बोटिंग विल बी अ वेरी रिफ्रेशिंग थिंग, सो कम अलॉन्ग. So finally the boat ride is on. So this is how the boat looks. So we are done with the boat ride. अच्छा था, very pleasant experience. Now we are heading to have some coffee. So we have come over here to have some coffee. Udaipur has a lot of these small shops wherein they serve coffee and Maggi. हम coffee और Maggi खा रहे हैं और coffee पी रहे हैं. After this we have plans to visit a restaurant for dinner, but before that we'll go to our room, freshen up, उसके बाद dinner के लिए चलेंगे. But उसके बीच में सुबह से कुछ खाया नहीं था, यानी after our lunch at Millets of Mewar we thought घूम लेते. काफ़ी घूम लिया और बीच में कुछ खाया नहीं तो बहुत भूख लगी थी. So now we are थोड़ा कॉफ़ी और मैगी चल रही है. So now after that Maggie and coffee bit we are heading back to our hostel. बहुत ज़्यादा थक गए हैं. इनफैक्ट थकने से ज़्यादा वो चिप बहुत ज़्यादा हो गया है. थोड़ा फ्रेशन अप हो गए and then let's decide where we are heading for our dinner. But yes, we both are loving these strolls because throughout Udaipur you'll be getting these kind of views. So अभी हम लोगों ने फ्रेशन अप हो गए, अब निकले हैं डिनर के लिए. We are going to this place called Harigad, which is only 100 steps from your camp. Okay, so after almost 45 minutes of waiting, we have got our table, and this table is absolutely amazing, overlooking Lake Kuchirla. We are here at Harigarh, and that's the view. I'm not sure if the camera is able to do justice to it, but yeah, that's Lake Pichola, and here is where we are sitting. So our murg tikka has come. Let's try it. कैसा है taste? Too good. The chicken is quite tender. Smoky वाला एक taste है, और उसके साथ beer पी रहे हो तो with that view, awesome. And one more thing, ये interesting चीज़ है या फ़ायदे वाली चीज़ है. If you are ordering alcohol in Harigarh, okay, तो आपको मिलता है रोस्टेड पापड़ फ्री फ्री फ्री. सो ये काफ़ी बहुत टाइम के बाद हम लोगों ने कोई तो एक ऐसे रेस्टोरेंट में आए हैं जहाँ पे अलॉन्ग विद अल्कोहल यू आर गेटिंग मंचीज़ फॉर फ्री. सो ये है फ्री का पापड़. तो अभी आ गया है हमारा डिनर, जो कि हमने ऑर्डर किया है. राजस्थान की काफ़ी स्पेशल डिश है विच इज़ कॉल्ड लाल मास. इट्स अ मटन प्रिपरेशन. वी हैव हर्ड अ लॉट अबाउट हरिगढ़ सर्विंग वन ऑफ द बेस्ट लाल मास क्रॉस उदयपुर. वी आर एक्साइटेड टू ट्राई इट. काफ़ी रेड ग्रेवी होती है एंड इट्स क्वाइट ऑन द स्पाइसियर साइड. इट्स टेस्टी बट I wouldn't say it's out of the world. अच्छा ग्रेवी है, मटन इज़ वेल प्रिपेयर्ड एंड इट्स टेस्टी. वाव रिएक्शन नहीं है तो